Hello everyone, you're welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to create your very first price page on the Kwotit dashboard. So a price page is just a simple way of letting your customers know your current price and to be able to also let them pick what service they need from you. So without further ado, let's create our very first price page. So let's call it John John Doe print shop. Let's select an industry to the industry. So we can click publish immediately so it goes live immediately. So you can add a brief description or just leave it. So save to calculator. So let's manage it. All right, good. So what we have to do is that we can easily set a base price. Let's say you want the minimum amount of money that somebody can pay to you. So no matter whatever service they select, this is the amount of money that you're going to collect. So you're going to leave that 5 cedis. So we're going to start with a quick question. So what type of service do you need? So we're going to enter our choices here. So you can say printing, add another choice. You can say photo copy, add another choice. You can say document edits. All right, so you can press each or you can leave it like that, and I'll tell you why you should actually leave it blank, because you're going to add different conditions. So let's say you want to add pages to be printed, right? You can say pages to be printed. What do you what type of okay, instead of saying page, you say pages to be photocopied. You can say pages to be photocopied, photocopied, and you can choose number. So you can say per photocopy I charge 5 cedis. So you can choose a condition. Always show when the type of service you need is equals to photocopy. So what this does is that if photocopy is not selected, this particular question doesn't come up. So you can go up to the next question. So you charge 5 cedis per photocopy page. So you go on to the next question. You can go for printouts, or you can go for the type of papers to be printed as. You can say A4, A4. For A4, I'm going to charge 5 cedis for A4 papers. So you say only show when what type of service is equals to printing. All right, good. So you can add another question. You can say A3, same thing. Maybe you charge 10 cedis for stuff for an A3 page. Say only show when what type of service you need is equals to printing. Good. Now you want to click on required, because not every customer needs the same. Some customers may only need A4, A3, and if it's required, that means they cannot submit the form until they select one. So you have to make sure that that is on click unless you require it absolutely. So then you can add another question. You can say for the document edits, you can say documents per pages to be edited. So you can choose a price. You say for every page I edit, I charge 10 cedis. So you can just easily tell your customers that it costs GHS 10 per page, just for them to know that this is how much it's actually going to cost to do it. So This option, you should also put a require to only show what type of service you need is equals to document edits. All right, good. So now what you want to do is you want to make sure that your pages are actually in order. So once you're satisfied with what you want to do, you can always just save it, copy the URL, and paste it to test it out. So now you can see we have different options. If we choose photocopy, it shows you the amount of pages to photocopy. If we click document edit, document per pages to be edited. So let's say I'm a customer, I want to photocopy 5 pages. So I'm saying 25 CDs. So I enter my full name here. Let's say I enter John Love Kwotit, and let's choose John Test at example.com. I can enter my phone number. I'll leave it like that. Say 1234567 8. So now, before then, I could download the PDF as a customer, and then I get to see my PDF from John Doe's print shop and everything, my quotes. You understand? So that was one thing. Then I can submit the quote request. So John Doe's print shop will be in touch shortly. So we've done that. So now let's go to let's refresh the page, and then we can check on our customer requests. So we can see that in our customer request section, we can see everything about the customer request. So the customer has requested for this particular service from us. They need 5 pages of photocopy. So that's just basically how easy it is to get started with Kwotit. Creating a price page is that simple. Once a customer fills it, you can come here and see everything about the customer. You can get their email, every single thing. So I hope this tutorial is actually able to help you in your journey of setting up your Kwotit price page.